अस्सलाम एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। बेटा आज हम एक और MDCAT की MCQs की वीडियो करने जा रहे हैं जेनेटिक्स के ऊपर। अगर आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे न्यू हैं तो हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, हमारी वीडियोस को लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स तक शेयर करें ताकि वो भी जो है अपने MDCAT के MCQs की ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस कर सकें। तो शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन। एन अफेक्ट caused by a gene or gene pair at one locus interferes with or hide the effect of caused by another gene or gene pair at another locus. Gene action is called. So the options are option A epistasis, option B beta हमारे पास apoptosis, option C beta paleotropy, option D continuously varying traits. So the right answer is option A epistasis. So the next question is the individual that are like O phenotypical but are not O genotypical are option A beta paleotropic, option B beta polygenic, option C Bombay phenotype, option D erythroblastosis fetalus. So the right answer is option A paleotropic or paleotropy. So the next question is when a single gene affects two or more traits, the phenomena is called. Options are option A beta epistasis, option B हमारे पास है बेटा apoptosis, option C paleotropy, option D beta polygene. So the right answer is option C paleotropy. So the next question is genotype interact with the environment to produce option A variation, option B beta phenotype, option C multiple allele, option D beta हमारे पास है phenotype. So the right answer is option हमारे पास B phenotype. So the next question is a seed with two sharply distinct phenotypes, round or wrinkled, shows. The options are option A continuous हमारे पास जो qualitative variation, option B continuous quantitative variation, option C discontinuous quantitative variation, option D none of above. So beta the right option is option A continuous qualitative variation. So the next question, ABO blood group system is an example of option A qualitative different phenotype, option B quantitative different phenotype, option C discontinuous quantitative variation, option D all of above are correct. So beta the right option is option A qualitative different phenotype. So the next question is a continuous varying trait that is encoded by allele of two or more different gene pairs found in different loci, all influencing the same trait is additive way that is known as. So the options are option A बेटा हमारे पास है quantitative traits, option B बेटा हमारे पास है qualitative traits, option C बेटा हमारे पास है polygenic traits, and option D is multiple allele. So बेटा the right answer is option हमारे पास है इसका सही है option C polygenic traits. So the next question is human skin is a quantitative trait that is controlled by option A beta 3 genes, option B 6 genes, option C 3 to 6 genes, option D more than 6 genes. So the right answer is बेटा option हमारे पास इसका जो सही है वो है C 3 to 6 genes. So the next question, one of the following is more complex polygenic trait. Option A human skin color, option B beta AB blood group system, option C human height, option D beta wheat grain color. And the right answer is option C human height. So the next question is one of the following is a polygenic trait controlled by many pairs of genes located at different loci and in which multiple alleles may be possible at each locus. So options are beta human skin color, option B beta human height, option C beta ABO blood group system, option D beta wheat grain. So the right answer is beta option B human height. So the next question is frequency of a histogram illustrates. So the options are option A beta polygenic trait, option B variation, option C beta हमारे पास है polygenic inheritance, option D beta genotype. So the right answer is beta option B variation. So the next question is the individual that can roll their tongue into a distinct U shape when they extend it out of their mouth are called. Option A secretors, option B testers, option C beta non-testers, option D rollers. So the right answer is option D rollers. The next question is the phenomena of staying together of all the genes of chromosome is called option A linkage, option B beta सेक्स लिंकेज, ऑप्शन सी बेटा ग्रुपिंग, ऑप्शन डी बेटा अल्ट्रासाउंड linkage. So the right answer is option A, linkage. So the next question is, all the kinds genes on a chromosome are in the form of option A, even number, option even chromosome, sorry, option B, odd chromosome, option C, linkage chromosome, option D, abnormal chromosomes. So the right answer is option बेटा हमारे पास है option C, linkage group or linked group. So the next question is, the number of linkage group in an individual correspond to, the options are number of chromosomes, option B number of homologous pairs of chromosomes, option C number of autosomes, option D number of sex chromosomes. So beta, the right answer is option B, number of homologous pairs of chromosomes. So the next question is, in human being gene for sickle cell anemia, leukemia and albinism, linkage group on option A beta chromosome number 9, option B chromosome number 11, option C X chromosome, option D बेटा हमारे पास है Y chromosome. So the right answer is बेटा option हमारे पास जो है option है इसका B chromosome number 11. So the next question is, the gene linkage minimizes the chances of options are gene recombination, genetic recombination, option B beta crossing over, option C beta formation of identical copies, option D formation of linkage groups. So the right answer is option A, gene genetic recombination. So the next question is, an exchange of segments between the non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome during meiosis is called option A, linkage, option B crossing over, option C beta recombination, option D beta variation. So the right answer is option B, crossing over. The next question is, the proportion of a recombination types between two gene pair are compared to sum of all recombination. The options are recombination frequency, option B allelic frequency, option C Hardy-Weinberg principle, option D beta Mendel's law, Mendel's first law. So the right answer is beta option A, recombination frequency. So the last question is, chromosomes that carry genes for sex determination are called option A autosomes, option B homologous, option C sex chromosome, option D inverted chromosomes. So the right answer is बेटा option B, सॉरी ऑप्शन सी सेक्स क्रोमोसोम. तो बेटा आज की हमारी एक और एमसीक्यूज की वीडियो इधर मुकम्मल होती है. अगर आपको हमारी यूट्यूब की वीडियोस अच्छी लगती है तो हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें. इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा.